Another case of the problem involving the law of cosine. The three sides are provided. So A as 832 feet, B is 623 feet, and C is 345 feet. Angle C here, angle A right there, and an angle B. We are finding the missing parts would be the angle A, B, and C. We're gonna find A, B, and C. To find an angle A, use the law of cosine. So cosine A equals B squared plus C squared minus A squared, all divided by 2 times B times C, which means we have the square of 623 plus the square of 345 minus the square of 832, all divided by 2 times 623 times 345. And the cosine A comes out to be negative 0.430525 and so forth. The cosine A is negative. That indicates this is in quadrant 1. No, this is in quadrant 2, sorry. For the answer in the quadrant 2, we're going to keep going by finding an angle A using the inverse cosine, negative 0.4305. And the calculator should give you as 115.5 degrees as an angle A in the second quadrant. We have one solution down. And next, we're going to find an angle B using the law of sine. The sine angle B equals sine B equals sine of an angle A over sine A, or the sine B equals B times sine A, all divided by sine A. So put the number all together. The sine B equals 623 multiplied by sine of 115.5 degrees, all divided by 832. And we get the number as 0.675854 and so forth. The sine value is positive. If it is positive, an angle B will be in the first quadrant or the second quadrant. Since an angle A is already in the second quadrant or is greater than 90 degrees, so it forced an angle B to be just in the first quadrant. So with this way, we just go ahead using an angle B by looking for the inverse sine of 0.675854, and the number should come out as 42.52. And we got an angle B. And next, we're going to finish up by finding an angle C using the relationship that all three angles combined equals 180 degrees. So then an angle C is 180 degrees minus 115 degrees, 115.5 degrees, sorry. Minus 42.52 degrees. And it turns out to be C equals 21.98 degrees. So we got the set of solutions. So I'm gonna write as a summary as For the solution, we have an angle A equals 115.5 degrees, angle B 42.52 degrees, and angle C is 21.98 degrees as a solution for this problem.